How do pop-up coffee stands train new baristas? Pop-up coffee stands train new baristas through quick, hands-on practice focused on drink quality, speed, safety, and friendly customer service. Training usually begins with learning the coffee stand's menu, recipes, equipment, and order system. A new barista watches an experienced worker prepare drinks before trying each task under supervision. They practice weighing coffee, grinding beans, measuring water, steaming milk, and keeping the work area clean. Trainers often teach by using simple routines, such as checking the order, making the drink, calling out the customer's name, and handing it over politely. Since pop-up stands have limited space, new workers also learn where every tool belongs, so they do not bump into coworkers or waste time searching. One useful detail is that milk steaming is often judged by sound and texture, not just temperature, because smooth foam makes drinks taste better and pour more evenly. Baristas may practice with water or unused coffee before serving real customers, which reduces waste during busy periods. The best training includes short practice rushes, where one person takes orders while another prepares several drinks. Then the trainer gives clear feedback. A common mistake is trying to work quickly before learning the correct recipe, so practice accuracy first and speed will follow. Another mistake is ignoring water quality, even though minerals and taste can strongly affect coffee. Use the stand's filtered water and follow its cleaning schedule. New baristas also sometimes steam milk too long or create large bubbles, so keep the steam tip near the surface at first and stop when the pitcher feels hot but still comfortable to touch briefly. Forgetting to sanitize shared tools is another risk, so clean steam wands immediately after every use and wipe counters often. Finally, do not guess when an order is unclear. Repeat it back to the customer before making the drink. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.